We're live and welcome. This is Mommy Myra and this is going to be a short go live for this page, Momspiration. Momspiration took the day off today kasi masakit ang kamay ko. I think it's the wrist and I banged it against a hard surface at work. So I took that day off today and just focused on my healing and my self-care. But anyway, I said this was gonna be just a short go live and I'd like to inspire everybody. So I entitled this go live as Have the Courage to Start Fresh. Meron tayong mga bagay na gusto nating masimulan, but for some reasons, parang sa sarili natin, iniisip na kagad natin na ang daming mga bagay na pumipigil sa atin para umpisahan ang isang bagay na gusto nating gawin. For example, ano ba yung mga gusto natin? Kung working tayo, gusto halimbawa natin na magkaroon ng time para sa sarili natin. But for some reasons, nagigilty tayo at parang gusto nating sabihin na, ay hindi, kailangan yung work ko, kailangan nakafocus lang ako dyan, or kung may day off man ako, kailangan maging productive pa rin ako. Pero gusto nga natin na mas maalagaan ang sarili natin, di ba? Kaya starting fresh by just living the life at the moment and just focusing on yourself isn't entirely a bad thing because you're refreshing yourself by doing that, and that will help you muster the courage to start anew. Isa pa, meron tayong gustong hobby na simulan. Gusto mo bang mag-aral ulit na magluto or ma-improve ang cooking skills mo? Bakit hindi mo nasimulan ngayon? Alam mo, kapag ginamit mo yan, yung skill mo na yan, mapapakinabangan mo pa yan. Malay mo, kapag may nakatikim ng luto mo, biglang mag-order sa'yo. At dahil doon, makakapagsimula ka ng sarili mong home-based business. Just make sure meron kang proper logistics, kung ano yung mga kailangan, mga regulations, say kailangan mo ng food handlers certificate, gawin mo yon. Makakapagsimula ka. Basta mayroon tayong mga gusto sa buhay natin, gusto nating simulan, we start with a little prayer. And we say, Lord, I really wanted to start something new, but give me the courage to find that courage within myself and bless me, bless my plans, and I know with the right mindset, I will succeed. At ang importanteng may advice ni Momspiration, if you want to start something new, huwag kang matakot mag-fail kasi ang mga failures, stepping stones yan to success. That is my very short go live, and while I'm continuing to help myself with healing, binabati ko kayo ng isang magandang gabi mula dito sa Victoria, Canada. Have a blessed day, everybody, and God bless you!